Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how you can connect with your storage account with the help of Microsoft Storage Azure Storage Explorer here. So for this you have to download this application, this app to in your local machine, I mean your laptop, either in your desktop. It is freely available in the internet. Just go to the Microsoft site and you can download from there. Okay, after download this one, just install in your local machine, and to access the storage account in your local machine, just click on there are two way to access this. One is the method of the access key, but my recommendation, never share this access key with anybody, right? If you want to give the temporary access to this storage account, just go with the shared access signature key, and it's totally depend on you. I'm just demo person, I'm allowing, and I'm just removing the delete button, means nobody can delete it. And here's the start and timing. For that, I'm just giving the from date from today to tomorrow. I'm allowing the both https and generate the key from here. Once the key is generated, you just copy the connection string from here. Just click copy, just go to the here and just right click on the connect to the storage account. Go to the storage account service key and SAS key, they are asking for that. Just give the paste that key here, it will give you the storage account name. Click on the next and connect. Once the connection is established, you will find here connect successfully added new connection here. So what will happen here, you can see your uh, what we have created. Like if you created a blob storage, you can see there a blob storage here, like demo blob I have created for that one. If you want to upload something here, just click on the upload file, upload files. Let me show you. Uploading one file, I'm going to here and just selecting one file, like any reimbursement um, this one. So and just upload it. Once this will upload, it's showing you, we can verify from the portal it is uploaded or not here. ah, right. Okay, so it's uploaded. Now you can just go to your portal here, just go to the containers, demo blob, you can see here, right? You can upload, means we are able to do this. Now second, just try to delete it. Let me delete it. Right click here and just try to delete it. They're asking for this. Yeah, I'm clicking yes, I want to delete it. Fail to start the insufficient credential. Why it is showing? Because we have removed the delete permission for this. Like for this session, you can say it's valid for 2 days. There's no, with this key you cannot delete. You can upload, you can read, but you cannot delete anything here, right? Same thing if you're, because currently we do not have any file share here, file storage here. If you're going to create, suppose over there, suppose I'm just going to create one file storage here. So if you're going to create a file storage, it will reflect over here. Just I'm going to the file storage, I'm creating a new file share here, just to give the name of the demo here, and that's already there, G2121. Okay, give the 01 to, just create one. Okay, once this will created here, just in my, just remove the quota, I don't want, it's not going to charge you, but go with the minimum one, 1 TB here. Now go to the your Azure Explorer here, just try to refresh it. Okay, once it is refreshed, just go to the storage account, go to the file share blob here, and you will find here demo 1 2 means uh, so clear, means you can connect, you can manage, you can even copy, paste, download what you want as per your need, you can do from here. So this is the basically is just for the it's not a recommended way to use your storage account like blob or anything on your computer in your day-to-day activity, because it's not a safe. Basically it's a safe main sense, doesn't mean it's not a safe, because you are using your own computer, you're using the password for authentication, lot of restriction already there with the org label. But in general terms, in a production we are not doing such kind of activity. It's just for your learning purpose. There's is a when the and one more thing guys, I would like to tell you, these things are also available in the portal, like a storage browser here. You can see and you can look from the list. right? So that's all for the day. Thank you for your time. If you need any other topics, just comment on below in my channel. Thank you, guys.